How to fix Facebook notifications not loading in Chrome. Here are some tips that may help fix Facebook notifications not loading in Chrome. 1. Refresh your Facebook tab. 2. Log out your Facebook account, shut the tab and re-sign into your FB ID. 3. Stop using tab discarding feature in Chrome. 4. Disable installed extensions one by one. Or try opening FB in incognito mode. 5. Check the tab where you're using Facebook and see if it's been muted. 6. Check existing Chrome's notification settings. 7. Clearing cookies and cache data in your Chrome. 8. Review or reset your FB Facebook notifications options. 9. Try a different browser.